What's going on, guys? It's the Boss of Doom here, and today we're doing the second episode of my Let's Play. So today I have a special guest. He's my friend's cousin. Yeah, he's my friend's cousin. Yeah. Okay. So today we're going to be doing a Let's Play. Well, the last episode, you know how we did a base? Well, it didn't save, so we're gonna start fresh with my buddy here. Alright, I'm gonna tell him. Start building. Just not okay. So now yes. And now we're gonna get wood. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day today. I'm starting off with an early Let's Play series. So yeah. Just future videos, there's gonna be more and more guests in every video. There's gonna be more and more guests in future videos. Hi, buddy. That's my dog. Okay. Oh. Closing my door. Alright. Guys, before I chop down this whole tree, you guys better hit the... Ow! Ow. Oh, okay. Thank you. Alright, so, guys, before I chop down this whole tree, you guys better hit the subscribe button and the like. Come on. Have you guys hit it yet? Come on. You guys should hit it now. Hit the subscribe button and the like button to get notified whenever I make a video, which is gonna be tomorrow when the next Let's Play video is on. And you guys better have hit the like button. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna tell them. Alright. Let me finish up this tree. Oh wait, there's one more tree. Okay. Let me finish up this tree. And then we're gonna make a house. Probably not a house, probably another base. Like the last one. Or probably a house. Yeah, probably a house. Look, he already got a sword. I mean, a sword, a stick. Or you can make a pickaxe or something, or you can get some stone. Right now, I'm only getting wood for the house. But soon we're gonna start mining and getting other stuff. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to put down my crafting table. I'm going to get all this wood. Boom, got all that wood. Going to get all this wood. Now I'm going to make a bunch of sticks for me and him. I'm going to make a pickaxe. Oh, let's go mining, guys. I'll help them out. Let's mine up this cobblestone right here. And we're playing on normal mode. Cause last time when I died in hard mode, so I decided to play on easy, not easy, normal. Alright, so I got 15 or 17 I guess now. What is this guy doing? This episode is going to be building and mining. I'm probably starting a farm because as you guys saw, I had a little stream of water over there. And that could be easily made into a farm. And we can start growing crops and stuff. I'm gonna go back up to make a sword. I'll make Gabriel's sword too. Why not? Where's my card table? So I'm going to put that. And 2 swords. 1 and 2. So I gave him a stone sword, but soon we'll be getting iron for him to make iron armor. Hopefully I can find iron in this episode. This last episode I got hopefully I can find iron this episode. I'm going to start building a little staircase. Mining the staircase. Hopefully I can find some iron. I know guys, you're not supposed to mine iron with the wooden pickaxe, but for now, while I run it out, you can use this. And that, we're just mining it out with this wooden pickaxe. Oh, dang it. It broke. I'm going to go up. Both of us two pickaxes. And the birds, come on. There we go. 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Oh. Dang it. So I'm going to be building a house now. Oh, what did I? Okay. So we're building a house. So comment down below what I should do next episode. Should I go try to find caves or something like mining, monster hunting. But for now, it's just building. And where did Gabe go? Where did he go? Oh, he's over there. Okay, he's over there. So next episode, maybe this is a very fun. Wait up, what did Gabe give me? Okay, so he gave me pickaxes. He gave me, I heard a creeper. Oh my god. Oh, oh man. Gabe got him. Oh my god. Like, I heard him. I'm gonna go get this creeper over here. For the XP. Where's Gabe? Oh, he was out there. Oh man, that hurt. That hurt a lot. That hurt. Oh, I mean, there's two. Oh man, there's two. Yes, I got a book. I mean, that's a big book. Oh my god. Oh, bro. I'm almost dead. I'm almost dead. Oh my god. Oh my god. Food, dang it. I don't have food. Oh no. Oh no. No. Oh no. His house got blown up. Oh my god. So much in debt. Alright, I'm gonna ask him if he has food. Oh, what the? I'm right there. Oh man. Oh man. Wow. Alright, this is pretty cool. Alright. Going somewhere. Nothing to do anything. In the morning, we're probably gonna go make some food. Two furnaces to build the power. Okay. And I guess 2 crafting tables. Oh no, that's a chest. No. Oh, why not build a chest too? But later on. Once I have enough resources. You know, I'm just trying to stay alive from all these mobs that try to kill me. So, also guys, I have an Xbox account if you guys want to join me in this Let's Play. And also, I will be doing the name of wall, the wall of names soon. So, if you guys want to be on it, all you have to do is like and subscribe. And comment down below what I should do next episode. episode is gonna start. Oh my god. Look at all those flipping spiders. Let me go through the bird. Oh, wait, no. Hey, I do. Am I going crazy or did I not have sticks? I got a bow. Okay, I got a bow. I can shoot from far range now. So I'm gonna get those spiders, and I'm gonna get my friend over here a bow. Come on, bow. Come on, Tuzzle. Come on. Kill you. Make him a bow, and I'm gonna give him two of my arrows. I got two bows and two arrows for both of us. Oh man. Where's Gabriel? Okay, yeah, he's on. Where's he at? Is he down here? Oh man, there's a skeleton down there though. Oh. Sorry if I don't talk a lot. I'm not really used to like commentating on what I do. I just like to just play. Bricks gravical. Yes, I got it. I'm so glad that I got enough for that bow. Because if not, oh look, there's pigs. Oh look, food. I'll make a chest. Oh man, I'm not doing it. What's that? Alright, so now Gabriel needs, I think he needs more arrows. So, hopefully he just... Okay. Don't hit me off, I would die. Oh, probably he's on low health. Yeah, he's on low health. Dang it. There's birch trees. I'm gonna get these birch trees. Calabunga! Oh, I really made it. Oh man, I could have died. So how much food do I have? So I have that. I have 5. I have 5 food. So I have 3 pork chops and 2 chicken. Man, I wish that those chickens dropped more. Or just 2, because it's uneven food. So I need my food. I should start a farm. Alright, I'm gonna go back with the wood. Put that wood. Oh man, I missed the jump. Missed the water and I hit myself. Oh, person. I don't have auto jump on, so I have to jump all the time. Because I don't like it. Probably do that. Yeah, I'm probably gonna. I have enough. Ah. Need food? Okay, he doesn't need food. So I'm gonna put the raw right here, the raw chicken, and I'll put 2, 3, 7. Okay, 7. Okay, so he's fine right now. I'm gonna just cook this pork chop. And now I have a little bit of food. I have a little bit of food to, so I can make it through the night. Detail. Look, I found pumpkins. I'm gonna make a chest. Make a chest. Making a chest. Double chest. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, if you guys could do one favor is hit that subscribe button and the like button to know that you guys enjoyed my video. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow with another video.